Welcome. Wherever you are, however you feel in this moment, you are welcome here. This time is for you, a space of peace, of healing, and of forgiveness. Find a comfortable position, sitting or lying down. Allow your hands to rest gently by your sides, and when you are ready, close your eyes. Let's take a deep breath together. Inhale through the nose, and slowly exhale through the mouth. Again, inhale deeply, exhale slowly. One more time, breathing in peace. And breathing out tension. Let go. Feel your body begin to soften. Notice the connection between your body and the ground beneath you. Feel the weight of your body being supported. Let your shoulder drop, your jaw relax, your eyes rest gently. There is nowhere to go, nothing you need to do, just be here. Now, bring your attention to the center of your chest, to your heart. Image your breath flowing gently in and out of your heart space. Breathing in, compassion. Breathing out, anything heavy. Inhale love, exhale hurt. With every breath, allow your heart to soften just a little more. Now, in the quiet of your heart, bring in mind someone you feel tension with. It might be someone who hurt you, or someone you're holding, or even yourself. You don't need to fix anything right now. You're just bringing awareness, creating space. Repeat silently to yourself, I am open to forgiveness. I release what no longer serves me. I choose peace over pain. Breathe in. Breathe out. Don't try to control anything. Feel those words sink in. You don't have to feel ready, just willing. Now image holding a heavy stone in your hand, resentment of pain, of blame. Feel the effort it takes to carry it. And now, picture yourself letting it go. Breathe in and out. Go back to the rhythm of your breathing. Do not try to control anything. Releasing it into a river, watching it drift away. The pain, the blame. The burden is no longer yours to carry. Say gently to yourself, I forgive not because they deserve it, but because I deserve peace. I forgive not because they deserve it, but because I deserve peace. I forgive not because they deserve it, but because I deserve peace. Feel a lightness begin to return to your heart. Breathe into that feeling. Breathe deeply. Keep breathing. Don't control anything. Just let it flow through naturally. Slow down your breathing. Take a slow breath in and out. Slow down your breathing. Let everything go back to normal with breathing. Bring that same compassion inward. If there is anything you are holding against yourself, any guilt, shame, regret, offer yourself forgiveness now. I am human. I am learning. I forgive myself. I give myself permission to begin again. Give myself permission to begin again. I am human. I am learning. I forgive myself. I give myself permission to begin again. Visualize a warm light in your heart. This is the light of understanding, of release, of healing. Let it grow and surround your whole body. Take a deep breath in and out. Exhale slowly. You are safe. You are healing. You are free. Keep following the rhythm of your breathing, the flow of the air. Let go, let go, let go. Slow down your breathing. Slow it down. Begin to bring your awareness back to your breath. Notice the gentle rise and fall. Feel the air against your skin. Wiggle your fingers and your toes gently. And when you are ready, slowly open your eyes. Carry this peace with you. And remember, forgiveness is not a one-time act. It is a daily choice to set yourself free. Thank you for joining me. May you walk in peace and live with an open heart.